Ah, there you are. Yeah, I'm doing that new tablet thing and I'm trying out a new camera setup. So, hopefully this works. In the meantime, everybody's hungry. We got to make some dinner. Never happens at your house, right? What am I making? What do I got? Well, everything's out of camera right now. Great. So I got a tray, some baby carrots. Yeah, this is one of those recipes that was really popular back in the 90s, you know? And it was just so simple that I did it the other night, and Mrs. Chef made me do it again. So, carrots and full onions. Not particularly well sliced, you know, you can, well, diced, but sliced. Yes, definitely sliced. So I got half an onion, some baby carrots, a tray. You know, all the exotic stuff, right? Oh, yeah. Tray. Okay. I got some Yukon Gold potatoes. I kind of cut those up a bit too. La 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 la. You know, nothing exotic to see. Literally, there's pretty much nothing to see with this recipe. Although I'm going to try to move you a little bit here. Let's see if you can get a better look at what I'm doing. There we go. No, you can't. Completely bleached out. But it's such a simple recipe, it actually doesn't really matter. La la la, chopped potatoes, onions, and carrots. Basically as many as fit in the pan. Alright. Yeah, you can tell I'm working really hard on this one. Hello. Okay. Pre-washed, pre-peeled garlic. Comes in a little bag. Ta-da! Yeah, it's all that excitement. Okay. Bacon. Oh. So bacon, onions, potatoes, carrots, garlic. Sounds pretty good. Like I said, I did this last night and Mrs. Chef was so excited by it, she made me do it again. Now we're really lucky out here because our supermarket has a wonderful manager. And what he did was he talked to those guys who sell them chicken and said, we need a bargain. And so lately we've been getting leg quarters for just giving it away, you know, 4 leg quarters for $5. Fight that. I dare you to. So, I'm kind of fond of leaving them together, but Mrs. Chef likes me pulling them apart. I got a leg. I got a leg. I got a thigh. I got a thigh. Ta-da! So yeah, the theme on this channel is really easy food. And we're going to be really true to that today. Yeah, I prepped all of this ahead of time because you got better things to do than watch me cook. Or watch me cut vegetables, I should say. Alright, so chicken, bacon, carrots, onions, potatoes, garlic. Okay. A little bit of salt. You got to be careful. The bacon has salt in it. Brand new salt container. So, a little salt. A little black pepper. Oh yeah, and rosemary. Don't forget the rosemary. I'm lucky I have some out in the yard. Yeah, it's true. Many days I start making dinner by going out in the yard and cutting some shrubbery. So, olive oil. Yeah, chicken can be kind of lean, and so you want to get some extra fat in there. Ta-da! Yep, dinner. I'm making a salad to go with this just because I want the extra greens. But you know, with the carrots and stuff, you don't really need it that badly. Hang on, let me move you over here so you can see how magnificent I look on my new tablet. Yes, yes. Okay, look, oven thingy. All right. Bake 350 for an hour. All right, now in 5 minutes. How's that for a challenge? So that's it. Yeah, this kind of thing used to be popular in the 90s, and then it came back as tray bakes. And oh my goodness, how revolutionary was that? So that's it. In an hour, I'll pull that thing out of there. Make sure the chicken's fully cooked. You know, you just take a fork, stick it in the chicken. Juices come out, they need to be clear, or at least reasonably clear. There are a few times I've served some rare chicken that was just what we had at the time. So anyway, that's it. This is social media. Please be good social citizens and subscribe and all of that good stuff too. Thank you. Goodbye.